Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. This question is the extension of question number 4, that is, in that we have solved in my previous video, that is area of minor segment and area of major segment. Now in this, the question is a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding area of minor sector and area of major sector. We have to take pi equals to 3.14. So in this case, we have to first find the area of minor sector. So area of minor sector, we know. Now first I will write the given data. जो हमको डाटा दिया हुआ है, that is radius equals to 10 centimeter, angle theta at the center 90 degree, now with this two we have to solve the area of minor sector. So area of minor sector is, formula is area of minor sector equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So here I will put the respective values. अब मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगा, थीटा इक्वल्स टू 90 अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई 3.14 into r radius is 10 into 10. So this cancels, 9 4 ja 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36. So we get 1 by 4 into 314. So 4 7 ja 28, 3 34, 4 8 ja 32, 2.45 ja 20. So we get the area of minor sector equals to 78.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब हम इसके बाद कैलकुलेट करेंगे एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ओवर, that is 78.5 centimeter square. Second part we will solve for area of major sector. So for this we will solve it that area of circle minus area of minor sector. So the area of circle is pi r square minus area of minor sector is 78.5. So this becomes 3.14 into 10 minus 78.5, or this will become 314 minus 78.5. So 314 minus 78.5, 78.5, here it is 13, 5, 3 and 2, 5, 13 minus 8, 5, this become 10 minus 7, 3, 2, 3, 5. So we are getting it is 235.5 centimeter square. So this will be your answer. Answer here it is. Area of minor segment is 75.5 centimeter square, and this is answer is equals to 235.5 centimeter square. In this way, the area of minor sector and area of major sector is calculated. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.